Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kawai ka samla ka barang pulih ya kalau Shillong lo college Shillong berkabang le mentah ya ka internship kalau mudui dekat Ijahar haki pulit ka Sadar Police Station Shillong persya ya uwe senior advocate bobo ya ka chambo haki tingrut dak bakno bola bat jubor ya ka berketak ru naki benta jinglong kentai jongka hadin bola khot ya ka sya kawai ka kamera hapo ka chambo jong u hakajinya keren bakilap pathai kubor ringkat ka jing senran lang kinoi lam ka Nyutrap National Youth Front hadin baladap mudoi daka Ijahar kani ka samla kala keno susu hadin bau le ya kani ka kam ulah terwa pat daka pisah bat manamar ba kala kentat mador ulah pentap jubor ya ka pisah ha ka blazer jongka bat keno ru ba ulah patha ru ya ka balwan biang ha ka singi sajan nakaliang undong ilam keseng ba Steve Kriam ulah kentu ya kipulit bakin kem mador ya senior advocate bat kenturu ya ka Shillong Bar Association ba suspend mador ya ka jinglong dekot jong u.
I was an intern in his chamber of Shillong Law College, and then I went for internship. I was at 3:16 p.m. He was calling me to another room. I don't know that room. I never knew about that room. He was calling me to take two court case books, and I went there with him. So I took two of them. He was grabbing me tightly, and I couldn't move. I struggled to move. Forcefully, he grabbed me, and then after that, I took that book and he released me. I took it and gave it to two of my friends. Like, give it to two of your friends those books, and then you can take another book. So I went again to took two the book, and then I don't know. Unknowingly, he followed me from the back, and then he grabbed me from the side, and then after that, he squeezed my woman parts. And then he offered me money, and after that, when he offered me money, I was like, "No, sir, I don't want this money." And he kept insisting, he kept on offering that money multiple times, and he kept it on my blazer, and I was taking it out. I said, "No, sir," and he kept on giving me that money. And after that, I took that book. I went out from that other room, and then I kept that money inside the sofa, and I was really scared and confused. I don't know what to do. So and then. After that, he left the room. No, I mean, in that time, I was telling sir I want to go home because I'm feeling sleepy. He was like, "You can sleep in that room." And then after that, he left that room. The room means the chamber. And then after that, I was crying to my friend. I was telling them, "Let's go home," because I'm so scared and confused. And then we left the room, and there was someone inside who's typing. That is all. I was crying. Henry PM.
Lu kita ke room ke ba? Bisikan.
Kadon kay jam betul ko. Kapte kadon hadin jong abasang jong u. Madon marway bang alit sa room. Nga simkot marway te ubod yang nga sedang last week Tuesday. Nakon ba nga. Uong ba sim kana pisa. Wan hagising Saturday, uong ba police come on Saturday. Syambar tarai umut ban wan syambar jong weekend.
Okay.
Em terwa deh. Mbak tarai sanpo. Rupusan. Deu Asamis. Hazarika. Kadon Hakiting Road.
Madai berbion kah?
Ki parlok jonga ki itu ya te nga ong bet ngal internship at ki ong pi ko bala internship te ki ong bet la itu kenya kan sa internship tengah wan ha kasing Tuesday ngawan FIR when it comes to this, like to all the students who go for internship, they should be careful to choose their advocate carefully, because a lot of advocate, we don't know what will happen. Like they always molest or try to rape the interns, so we should be careful. We urge the police to take a strict action against this, and then also like protect the women, so that especially for the students who go for internships, that they will not get molested like this.
Seng HMIF, agajing yo jintip jong yemenasi ba ini kena kita jongi kena samla kita jongi bela again internship isha moles sauta bar jala beriu zarikan beriu Asamis de muslim te nakaliang jongi nilai osno ni wan be shenish po kiting road ka office ka dan te ka chamber jung ka da po kiting road te da ka jing shem khia jongi moi kin thei khasi bokli ki psa le man la ki por ki ja gini ke eru nomor nga sutanat bini khna kan thei jongi khasi bi wan chakman ban ai ya kata ka complain nomor bun hi niki ki baja kumni bun hi ki bisu ngam bun hi ki bas ngam ki ba long ki ba kim mi chakmat te da ka jing ai men sim jongi ni dap ka jing kemen ba ngiyo kumini ki thei ba wan chakman nomor bun ki kin thei hi bangai e po pb hi buôn ki bang lai ki ada pen ban you neutral ki ada you neutral ki ong bo de boss tau boss yang ki nomor ngi la experience ki ne te ki yaro ki ngi sai FIR kala mangi ten rei bada mentang ngai bi ni ki thei jongi bi wan chakmat da ka jing slon sim jongi wan report ngi da ka mesim bo bakyang ngi wan klo banya senran ni nilai lek nanti po yu hantar udeu junior senior bukit te nakaliang jongi ya ka ngi kentu ya ka bar session ru bahkan take action bahkan suspend ya ka license ke jongu nakaliang jongi ke SNYF te bat ngangej bahkan nakaliang jong police department tu bahkan take action kanum mde ba menta ngin kem kum ni nyaman rah ni la shine lan no kami hab nomor bun hi biki ja kum tan da ja khantam khla jaj lai benda ai ki complain ki kloi ban wan Ndai da jangi khasi bere ka sempor bha ban yu bat kin bu ingi hajil bat ngapej bere da ja ki khla jai bere hajil kum poi si sngi la lai long ngim sungi ha kata ban nakaliang police department rungi kentu jor ba kan take action bahkan set along uni breu bat ngakin tu jor ru nakaliang jong kabar station ru bahkan cem action strict action uni khla jai pen do noi ka license ke jong ngim dei ban ting ni de ban ya chakmat ni kintu bahkan nakaliang jong bahkan strict action uni bar jala balale ni nak ke jong te tangtai ki bangla jutib labun bun kini ki bangla yo kini ki jaj belong kumni tang bar long kimi chakmat te dai tang ini hi bagi mi chakmat bat misno tenat misno daw men ba kena kan te jungi mi chakmat mam chudan da ja kum kini ki ngap jar teng ki asmu thu jung mun bat hang tu bat try da kham ngaseng ni pendem jor union tat usno bau de senior usno budi senior advocate la ban le kat bau man ten rengi nakaliang kesan nakaliang jong kaseng nyam aila da le ru bagin jakum kini ki jajing ja haka negeri ke jaj ben jongi dala jakum ni habi ban mi chakmat nyam aila yenu ru
kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrei ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki jila menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan